Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily remove stick shafts from your Nacon Revolution controller. So first what you need to do is take off the stick heads here. And after you do that, here we have our stick shafts. And now we can just remove them and now place back our stick heads. And now, as you guys can see, we have no stick shafts here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.